Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News. VPP baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi. U President ka Voice of the People Party VPP u Bah Ardent malabasayo mo ula ther kalayo menteri rangba ka jilla u Conrad ki sama hadien ba uni ula kentho ting e ka VPP halor ki spotli ki mat ba ka party klawan ra hapo ka yingdar bar thawan. Habakran shakilat pathai kubor Bah Ardent ulang ba ka jubab jung menteri rangba khamtam halor ka hok jaka hari khasi kamsham na jubab ikimat ba ka VPP kala race. Ulapan pau ba ka jing e ka ba kongsan kalong ka jing pedon kam ba ka jing thiet jaka klanda buram purai ka sur jong ki trai jaka kishnong ba ki dor parshnong. Ula kan tadru ya ka jing keno ba ka VPP kam jubot ya ka e ka bala yalam. Kadkum jong u ka party kala yang scam ban yadai ka hok jong ki paidbah ba dia ka rukam sin shartan rai u Bah Ardent ula ong ba ka jing kan tho shimet ne ka jing prashang ban pin kala ya ka mat jing ya tai kamla ban buri ya ki jing kali ki bala bo hakmat ka sarkar ula dawa ba ka sarkar kan ai ka jubab ka bashai ba da ki kam om tang da ki jing pren hapo ka ying dor ba
clear. I had mentioned yesterday that our stand, as far as the Shri Cement is concerned, is to cancel that public hearing. It was not carried out in a democratic, and transparent manner. And the stand of the party is that for now, we want the government to stop, all kind of plans, coke plans, cement plan, because the pressure for the environment, especially in East Giant Hills, is huge. There are some areas, in the Sutna area, which will become uninhabitable within few years. So if because of the pressure of these cement factory, the pollution, the waters, the environment, so we stand with the people of Sutna Ilaka, we stand with the people of East Giant Hills, where for now we don't want any cement plant to be set up, any coke plant to be set up in that, not only in East Giant Hills but in areas like where the concentration of these factories are taking place, West Hills, East Giant Hills.